Body mass index refers to the measurement of one's weight relative to his or her height. Body mass. It is the amount of matter in a body. In order to get the weight, we're going to use a detect-weighing scale. The procedure. Find an even and flat surface. For the student, wear something light, preferably a t-shirt and shorts. Remove things that can add weight. Remove your footwear. Stand straight and still. Read the weighing scale. Record the body mass. Stature or the height. Height is the measurement from the base of the foot to the top of the head of a person. The procedure. The student must stand erect and barefoot against the measuring device with the heel, buttocks, and shoulders pressed against the wall. Put your heels together, arms hanging freely by the side with back turned toward the side. Look straight forward, take a deep breath, and stand as tall as possible. Record the height. For computation of the BMI, you will use this formula. Body mass in kilograms and height in meters squared.